Guys, I got this let's see. I get this precision knife with soft grip, and it's like the knife, the it come with this there's some extra blade in here. See the sharpness, there's extra blade in here, and I think this about $2 or something. You can cut some paper, plastic, cloth. Oh, there's like number 11 blade. Interchangeable and replaceable with any type A handle or knife. Any type handle or knife. There's including 11 blades. So I did not remove I did not remove yet when I'm putting this in my survival items. So this one, guys, kinda nice because in case of emergency, if you have something that you need to, some skin or whatever emergency, or you have something. There's like a 11 blade in there. It's gonna be cute, but I just leave it that way for now. But I need to, because there's no hole in here, so in case nice to put them together and some other stuff. So we'll see. It's kind of lightweight, but it's kind of nice. It's a blade. Okay, see you later.